Governor Cuomo declares a state of emergency as the number of coronavirus cases in New York soars. Good evening. I'm Jessica Moore, now on CBS 2 and streaming on CBSN New York. The coronavirus outbreak continues to spread. In the past 24 hours alone, the total number of cases in the tri-state area has increased by double digits. There are now 89 cases across New York, more than double from last night's 44. That number includes 11 cases in New York City, 70 cases in Westchester County, 4 in Nassau County, and 2 in Rockland County. CBS 2's John Diaz joins us live from the newsroom with the latest on the outbreak. John.
Yeah, good evening, Jessica. Well, as those numbers rise, New Jersey is also reporting 4 confirmed cases of coronavirus. In New York, though, leaders saying the state of emergency actually is a good thing in this case because it means more federal resources will be coming our way. As coronavirus concerns continue to climb, leaders on both federal and local levels are trying to get ahead of the outbreak.
I have officially done a declaration of emergency, which gives us certain powers.
Governor Andrew Cuomo announcing a state of emergency for New York, which Nassau County Executive Laura Curran says will only help.
This is a brand new virus. This is new to planet Earth, so we're learning along with everybody else. And it will also allow our EMS personnel to transport patients to quarantine locations other than hospitals should the need arise.
She says a state of emergency also means qualified professionals other than doctors and nurses will be able to administer coronavirus testing kits. But in the tri-state area and across the country, the actual tests are still hard to come by.
We know that we have to be careful about who we test. They have to have criteria and symptoms that match, or you're just wasting a limited supply.
On Long Island, Northwell Health now getting the green light to test people as infected patients are quarantined at both Mercy Medical Center and NYU Winthrop Hospital. The commissioner of the Nassau County Office of Emergency Management says they plan to start a soft activation tomorrow, which they do when there are terrorist threats or major weather events.
It's a central location for everybody to meet to get the help and resources that they need. And we'll also be fielding information from the local hospitals so they could let us know should their census begin to increase, that their emergency rooms are starting to fill up with people that are saying that they're not feeling well.
While some saying the virus is nothing to fear,
I don't think it's that serious, honestly.
It's a little bit scary, but I think it's like a flu. Hand sanitizer, washing hands, just making sure that you're being smart.
Mayor Bill de Blasio tweeting today to use common sense precaution, such as staying home if you feel sick. And Cuomo saying violating voluntary quarantine rules is disrespectful to members of the community because it puts others at danger. He also says if you don't comply with it, there are other measures leaders are willing to take, but did not go into specifics just yet. Live in the newsroom this evening, John Diaz, CBS 2 News.
John, thank you.